It starts small. Hey, could you also add a quick section? You say sure. It takes 20 minutes. Then next week, just one more thing. And the week after that, suddenly you're doing 40% more work for the same money, and you can't remember when you agreed to it. You didn't. It just crept in. Here's how to stop it without being the difficult freelancer.
First, the mindset that makes this easy. Saying no to free work isn't rude. It's how you stay in business. Clients aren't villains here. Most of them genuinely don't know what's in scope because nobody told them. That's your job. The rule: scope is a boundary you set once, not a negotiation you have every week. Same freelancer as always, writing newsletters for a small online store. Let's watch the creep happen and stop it.
Step 1. Learn to recognize it. Scope creep never announces itself. It arrives in friendly language. Could you also quick change? While you're at it, just this once. Every one of those is a request for unpaid work, wearing a polite costume. The tell is simple. If it wasn't in the original agreement, it's new work. Not a favor, not a small thing. New work. Step 2. Write the scope down before you start. This one document prevents 90% of the problem. 2 lists. What's included? 4 newsletters a month, 2 rounds of edits, delivered every Monday. What's not included? Extra emails, landing pages, social posts, redesigns. And you don't have to write this from scratch. Tell AI, list what's included and not included in a monthly newsletter service for a small online store. Edit what it gives you, cut what doesn't fit, add what it missed. 10 minutes and you'll reuse it with every client after this. Send it with your proposal. Now, scope isn't your opinion against theirs. It's something you both already agreed to. Step 3. The response. This is where most freelancers freeze. They say yes because saying no feels confrontational. So use a script that says no without sounding like no. Happy to take that on. It's outside our current scope, so it'd be an extra 120. Want me to add it? Read that again. You didn't refuse. You didn't apologize. You priced it. And if writing that message still makes you nervous, that's exactly what AI is for. Paste your draft and say, rewrite this so it's warm but firm. No apologizing. You get the words. You decide if they're right. Then you send them. Half the time, they'll say yes. And now you're getting paid for the thing you used to do for free. Step 4. Turn creep into revenue. Every repeated request is telling you something. The client needs more than they bought. So make it official. If they keep asking for social posts, offer a bigger package that includes them. I've noticed you need social content most weeks. I can bundle it in for $450 a month instead of $400 plus add-ons. That's how a client who was quietly draining you becomes a client who pays you more. So, recognize the creep, write the scope, price the extras, and turn the pattern into a bigger package. You're not being difficult, you're being a business. And the freelancers who last aren't the ones who say yes to everything. They're the ones who know exactly what yes costs. This is Money OS. We cut through the hype so you don't have to.